Hey, what's up guys, this is Roman here, and today I've been taking some stuff out of my BMW M3 E36. Already took a headliner and door panels, which is very easy. Maybe door panels sometimes could be a pain in the ass, but it's a no-brainer. But decided to make a video. I'm going to take out my armrest, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Till next time, до следующего раза, товарищи. So this is actual armrest right there, and we're just gonna lift that up, take this part out. Okay, we're gonna put that back. So, and this is the back of the armrest, and we can take this part out. Comes off just like this. So next thing, we're gonna have to remove this plastic cover right here. You just have to move screwdriver around a little bit, make sure it don't break anything, so it just pops out. There you go, just like that. And we can take this part out of here. Okay, this is out. Okay, maybe this is not in the right order, but we're gonna have to remove this part next. Come back to the armrest. It's definitely a lot better to take this part off if your armrest in a standing position like this. So we're gonna need a screwdriver, straight screwdriver. So just make sure very gently not to break. You have to remove this clip right here. Okay, let's try to pop this out. There you go. Okay, so you can take this part out of there. Now, let's take the actual armrest off. So as you can see, there's a little tab in here. So you're gonna insert the screwdriver there and pop out from the other side, and I'll show you in a second. Well, I hope it's gonna work. So I'll insert the screwdriver there so I could film and do it at the same time. It's two different ones on both sides, so let's try. There you go. Pops out just like that. Make sure, you know, either you hold it with both hands or as I did right there. So a screwdriver, and you can take this out, and you're gonna have to do it on the other side the same. So now we can remove armrest. Okay, just like that. This car is from the last century. It's 1999, so the leather is in better days. Okay, and now you have to take this screw out. So, and after you do that, this is a screw right there. You can take and lift it up, so it's going to be easier for you to get to those two bolts right here. This is one, and I'll show you the second one. Okay, and this is the second one. So, and as well, you're going to have to cut some carpet out. You don't have to, but I did. I don't really need carpet, so I could get to it a lot more easier. And those two bolts down there are 13 millimeters. And still not done yet, because I cannot take it out, because there is one screw that is underneath the hazard light that I'm gonna have to get it out. So the way to get to it, you just take the boot right here out inside the stick, pop the hazard light out just like that. Very easy. And here's that screw right there. You're gonna need just a Phillips screwdriver. Here's that screw, very small one. And let's try to get this bad boy out of here. Okay. Just kind of turn it on the side, the boot on the e-brake. And okay. Whew. Thing haven't been cleaned in ages, and that's it. That's how it looks. And so it wouldn't be confusing, well, this bolt already is out. I got to these two bolts here before I removed this part. So all I did, I just lifted up and I got to the bolts underneath it. And it's a lot easier when you remove them, when you totally remove this part right here. Obviously everything is going to be right there in the front of you, and nothing's going to be on your way. Okay, got my extension, now I'm good to go. So, and it's very loose, so I can do it with my hands now. That's it. First one is out. Now it's definitely a lot easier and better to get to it. Okay, and the second bolt is out. Well, since it's my first time removing it, there is another bolt there. It's the same 13mm. I'm gonna have to take it out in order to get this part, the last part out that the actual armrest was sitting on. There we go, goes little by little. Okay, and as you can see, I'm not going to film the whole process, how I'm untying the bolts and screws. I'm not going to waste any time on that. And it's loose now, so we can take this part out of here. Okay, so and what you want to do now, keep those bolts that you took it out, because this is assembly of the e-brake. Make sure you keep this part right there when you're going to be putting the bolt back in, because it was on a certain length, since the armrest plastic assembly was sitting on it. Okay, I'm just going to put the first one in, and the second one. And again, if you forgot, this is a 13mm. Okay, they're in. And the third one was here. It was not holding anything, just the plastic assembly to the armrest, so you don't have to put it back in. And the e-brake boot is not unnecessary here now, since there's nothing here. So I don't even know how to take it out, but we'll find out in a second. And there we go. Mine is on a zip tie right there. So we just cut that off and take the whole boot off. Well, you're gonna need something sharp again. So this is no brainer. There's no tutorial for this. So I cut it off. Boom. It's just the carpet is not even here. You know, because I was cutting, it was hard to get to it. So I'm just gonna do it even more evenly, so it would look at least a little bit better. And cut this piece out because I don't need it here. So as you can see, it looks a little bit more evenly, because I don't know when I'm gonna put racing seats and maybe roll cage in, and we'll take the whole carpet out. At least, you know, it's gonna look like this for now. And that's it. So you can secure these wires here, you know, put zip ties or whatever. And there you go, and this is the whole armrest assembly right there. All the pieces together, including a e-brake boot. And guys, I always hope you enjoy the video, and it was helpful for somebody. I learned something myself today, so doing that, and might as well just decide to make a video. Alright, till next time.